In December 2019, a large number of pneumatic cases are found in China. Investigation found that is caused by previously unknown virus, now named is novel coronavirus 2019. In this video, we will take a quick look for what is coronavirus. Keep in mind that is new virus. So, hi there. This is Gautam Sani, and today we are discussing about COVID-19 coronavirus disease 2019. First of all, what is introduction of coronavirus? Coronaviruses are a large family of viruses. COVID-19 is the name given by WHO on 11 Feb in 2020 for the disease caused by novel coronavirus SARS-CoV-2. Full form of COVID-19 is coronavirus disease 2019. The virus consists of genetic material surrounded by an envelope of protein with protein spikes. That's why this is look like a crown. In Latin language, the crown is known as corona. What are the types of coronavirus? First, SARS-CoV, severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus. SARS is a contagious and sometimes fatal respiratory illness that is caused by SARS-CoV. SARS is first appeared in China in November 2002. The animal reservoir of the SARS-CoV are bats and civet cats. The virus transmits from animals to humans and represents their symptoms. The second type of coronavirus, MERS-CoV, Middle East Respiratory Syndrome coronavirus. Middle East Respiratory Syndrome coronavirus is a viral respiratory disease caused by MERS-CoV that was first identified in Saudi Arabia in 2012. The coronavirus can cause disease ranging from common cold to severe acute respiratory syndrome pneumonia. Approximately 35% of reported patients with MERS-CoV infected have died. The route of transmission from animals to human and reservoir of this virus are camels and bats. The final type of coronavirus is novel coronavirus SARS-CoV-2. COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered novel coronavirus. It was first identified in December 2019 in Wuhan, China, and has resulted in an ongoing pandemic. The incubation period of COVID-19 ranges from 1 to 12 and a half but can be as long as 14 days, with median estimation of 5 to 6 days. The animal reservoir of the virus is not known till now. What are the risk factors of COVID-19? First one, chronic cardiac disease. Second one is chronic respiratory patient. Third one is diabetes mellitus. Fourth one is live market workers. Fifth one is caring for those with infections such as family members and healthcare workers. Sixth one is old and child. Seventh one is smokers. Now, what does the disease present? Symptoms. People with COVID-19 have wide range of symptoms from mild to severe illness, but some people don't develop symptoms. First, mild symptoms: fever, dry cough, tiredness, shortness of breath. And second, severe symptoms or illness: ARDS, pneumonia, chest pain or pressure, shock, and death. And the mnemonic for the severe symptoms or illness is APST, automatic power shutdown. This is easy to remember. The mortality rate is not known yet. The pie diagram for mild and severe cases with following 85 and 15%. How can we tell that someone is infected with COVID-19? Diagnosis: PCR, polymerase chain reaction. PCR is a method widely used to rapidly make millions to billions copy of a specific DNA sample. The PCR is used to detect the SARS-CoV-2 RNA virus by the changing it to DNA first, then creating enough to be examined in order to determine if it. The second, antigen test. The antigen test look for proteins from the surface of virus. In case of coronavirus, these are usually proteins from the surface spikes, and nasal swab is used to collect the sample. How we treat the virus. Treatment. There is no specific treatment for disease caused by a novel coronavirus. However, supportive treatment may be given by doctors at hospitals like fluid, autotherapy, ventilatory support. Medications and vaccines are in clinical trials. And in final, how we prevent the transmission of virus. Prevention. To prevent the infection and to slow transmission of COVID-19, do the following. Done proper hand washing. Always proper use of mask and PP kit during professional practice. Avoid to going crowd places and also avoid travel to distance outbreak area at this time. Keep distance of 2 hours between two persons. Keep in mind animal products are used after well cooking. Frequent use of hand sanitizer and alcohol hand rub. Thanks for watching.